multiplying and dividing integers. Let's just review the rules that we need to keep in mind when we're working with multiplication or division of integers. Those rules are, if we are multiplying, okay, if we're multiplying and we have two numbers with the same sign, we get a positive answer. Okay, let me point out this vocabulary word right here, product. Product means multiplication, okay? So if we're asked to get the product of two numbers and the signs are the same, we get a positive answer. So, for example, -4 times -4 is positive 16. Both of those numbers have the same sign, so we get a positive 16. If we get the product of two numbers with different signs, we get a negative answer. So, for example, if we're asked to find the product of -2 times 3, the signs are different. I have a negative number and a positive number. My answer will be -6. Okay, the rules are the same for division. If I'm going to get the quotient, that's a math word for division. If I'm going to get the quotient of two numbers with the same sign, so 10 divided by 5, I get a positive answer. I get a positive 2. But if I'm asked to find the quotient of two numbers with different signs, so maybe I'm asked to find the quotient of -9 divided by 3. I have different signs, right? I have a negative number and a positive number. It says we get a negative answer. These multiplication and division rules are really something we just have to commit to memory. We have to remember that the same signs means a positive answer and different signs means a negative answer. Let's work a couple of examples. Number 1, -8 times 9. -8 times 9. I have different signs, which means I get a negative answer. 8 times 9 is 72. So it's -72. Number 2, -40 divided by -5. This fraction bar, in case we've forgotten, a fraction bar literally means division. Okay? Anytime you see a fraction bar, it means divided by. So that means -40 divided by -5. We have the same signs. That means we get a positive answer. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Okay, let's look at number 3. We have -8 divided by 4 times 5. So let's take it one step at a time. We have different signs here. -8 divided by 4. Different signs means I get a negative answer. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now we have a multiplication problem. Again, we have different signs. So we get a negative answer. -2 times 5 is -10. Notice how I took those two numbers at a time, okay? You might look and say, well, 4 and 5 are both positive. They have the same sign, so we should get a positive answer. We can't do that. We have to take it a step at a time and decide in each step whether our answer is positive or negative. Number 4, I have a division problem again, right? This is just a slanted fraction bar. This means -3 times 4 times -2 divided by -6. So let's take it a step at a time. -3 times -4, that's -12. I had different signs, so I get a negative answer. Okay, now we have a new problem. -12 times -2 divided by 6. Again, let's take it one step at a time. -12 times -2, same signs, so we get a positive answer. Now we have a division problem. 24 divided by 6. Same signs, so we get a positive 4.